Hi you guys, so I know this is up close and personal, and there's a reason for that. I wanted to share with you these new contacts that I received from a company called Alise Beauty, and I will leave all of the information down below in the description box for these affordable contacts. And I love them. First of all, they're super comfortable. Before I even show you guys the packaging, I just want to talk about them really quick. While they're in my eyes, they are not irritating. These are prescription contacts. They're very, very soft. I noticed when I was taking them out of the packaging that they came in that they were ridiculously soft. So this is the packaging. Once you open up the box, they come in this like little foil container, and they are in a box like this. This is actual packaging. So of course it has their logo on it, which says Alise Beauty, and these are my prescription contacts. So on the side of the box you do get, you know, your prescription and what contacts you receive. Now the ones that I have in my eyes are called amber brown. Even though they look really gray, most contacts do look gray or greenish on me, even if they are brown. Now I did receive two totally different contact colors, so I'm going to share with you the other ones probably towards the end of the video. But yeah, inside of the box it does have, you know, a description, and I'm pretty sure on here it gives you, you know, instructions on how to put them in and also how to take care of them. I've been wearing contacts for years now, so I'm pretty familiar with how, you know, to apply them. And you also receive a cute little pamphlet just saying about the company. Again, they are New York based, so the shipping, I received my contacts in about, I believe, 2 days, because they're in New York and so am I. I'm in Staten Island, so it was nothing to get my prescription filled and just go ahead and order them. So that's one thing about them. Also, they are FDA approved. That's really hard to find these days. You know, companies, unless you're going through 1-800-CONTACTS, which is usually what I do. A lot of companies are not FDA approved, so it's good that they are. Again, they are based in New York, and I'm really happy with them. I can see everything clearly. I was a little worried about that because this is my first time using this prescription, because my old prescription was you know, those contacts were kind of cloudy, and I received those a long time ago, and I was just hanging on to them because I didn't have another pair to use. So now that I do, I have a second pair, and again, these are the amber brown. Very comfortable, no complaints, no irritation or anything. So with your packaging, this is what is inside of that box that I just showed you. This is again what the contacts come in, and you do also get a nice little case to store your contacts in. They also sent over, which is why my brows are not done, so I'm going to share that with you guys as well. They also sent an eyeliner, which comes in a box like this, and they also sent me a eyebrow brush, and it also has like a pencil on the other end. So I'm just going to show you that really quick. This is the Perfecting Eyebrow Brush. So this is what it looks like. This is, really looks like Anastasia packaging. So you just twist it up, and this is what you get. I have not used this yet. I'm going to use it with you guys on camera so you get to see. So that's one end, and on the other end there's just a brush, which comes in handy because you definitely need those to shape up those brows. So this is the eyeliner. This is like a felt tip eyeliner, and it's just black. Mind you, the pencil has no name on it, so I can't tell you what color that is. Sorry about that. On the box itself, it just has a little color indicator, so I'm just going to assume that that's brown. And this is the eyeliner that they also sent, which is really cool, and this is what it looks like. Very good for precision, and yeah, if you're not like skilled in doing eyeliner, this is perfect for you. So enough talking. Let's get into this video. Let's do my brows. Let's see what we could do with this little brow pencil. I'm a little curious to see how it's going to work. Okay guys, I do apologize. I ended up hooking up a microphone. I thought that the sound would be a lot better if I did that, but obviously not, because it was this crazy sound in the camera. So I'm like, yeah, okay, that's not gonna work. So I do apologize. You guys can't hear what I'm saying. But what I'm basically saying is I really like the pencil, and I was super shocked that the color worked out for me. So that's why you see me smiling and I'm like, ooh, I like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, I do like the pencil. It's very smooth. I'm surprised that it was so smooth. I usually use a gel pomade, so this was very different for me. So I really do like it. I like the fact that it's dark. It's not chalky looking. It doesn't look ashy or anything like that. So the brush also came in handy, and it just makes my brows look really, really natural. So I kind of OD with my brows. I know y'all know that already, but I don't really care because it's my face and I like to make my brows extended. So here I'm just using some LA Girl concealer just to clean it up, and that's pretty much it. Like, this was really quick. I know that it's sped up, but yeah, this was a really quick tutorial. I do recommend this eyebrow pencil because, like I said, it really does make my brows look very natural. It makes my brows look more natural than the pomade. The pomade is really thick and dark, so this is really nice. I really do like it. So the mic is still hooked up because at this point I still didn't realize that, you know, the mic was messed up. So anyway, here I'm just showing you guys the eyeliner that they sent me. The eyeliner is okay. I'm so used to my brush on my other eyeliner, which is by NYC. Like, the felt tip is cool if you are a beginner. I would definitely suggest using the felt tip because it's really good for precision. But, you know, I had the OD. I really wanted to see, you know, how dark it was. So that's why you guys are seeing me do a crazy thick eyeliner. Well, a crazy thick wing, because I really wanted to see how it looks. At the end of the day, I would say this eyeliner is good, but it does flake a little bit. I don't know, maybe I just didn't put enough, or I don't know, but it did flake a little bit. And yeah, so I'm laughing because one eye looks totally different than the other eye. Like I said, I'm so not used to the felt tip. It's like drawing on my face almost. So that's why you guys see me giggling or whatever. But it's nice. It looked pretty or whatever. Okay, you guys, so I'm so sorry. Please don't hate me for this technical difficulty that I'm having. Alright, so here I'm just basically telling you how I feel about the contacts that I'm wearing, which is the Amber Rose. Oh my god, what am I saying? The Amber Brown contacts. I'm basically saying that they're comfortable, and they were a little irritating after I, you know, finished up my makeup because somehow the setting powder got into my eyes. But I'm wearing them right now and they're still super comfortable, very affordable. And I was basically telling you guys that all of the information will be down below. So here I'm just going to switch over, and well, I'm going to give you guys a close-up of how they look. Again, these are supposed to be amber brown, but they look really, really gray in my eyes for some reason. I don't know why that is, but I absolutely love them. They look really nice. I don't think that they look natural at all. Like, I can tell that they're contacts. With my old ones, you really couldn't tell, but these, I definitely can tell that they are contacts. But I do like them. Don't get me wrong. I do absolutely love them. I just have to get really used to them. So you guys can let me know what you think about them down below in the description box. I'm really curious to know how you feel about them or what you think about them. And yeah, so now I'm just going to take these out of my eyes, and I'm going to show you on camera what the other ones look like. The other ones, I believe, are called Glam Gray. And again, I'll have all of the information down below in the description box, so just be sure to check there.
insane. Nothing beats it when you call my name. My love is deeper.
Okay, y'all, again, don't kill me. I've never had a video mess up before and had to do this. But anyway, just bear with me, you guys. Don't worry. The next video, I will not be using that mic anymore. I will stick to my audio directly from my camera from now on. So these are the second pair of contacts. I noticed that you guys didn't get to see what my eyes look like before I put in the amber browns. And so this is how dark my eyes are. This is really important because a lot of you want to lighten up your eyes and you just wanted to see how light they can actually look. So these are the Glam Gray. Now I'm really not a fan of these contacts because they are so light. I didn't know how light they actually were going to be, and I wanted to come on here. I'm so mad that the audio is messed up because these contacts, well, the first one that I put in was really irritating. And the reason why it was so irritating, and this is what I'm explaining in the video, is because I might have had it inside out. So all I did was take it out on camera so you guys could see. And then I just turned it, properly, and boom. As soon as I put it in, it was fine. So the contact was definitely inside out. I really don't like these. I'm not a fan of them because they look so light. They look almost like a crystal blue and they're supposed to be gray. They're really pretty. It's just not for me. So I'm definitely going to, you guys, I'm going to be honest. Again, they're very comfortable contacts, but this color is so bright. It's definitely not for me. Maybe with a different hairstyle or, darker hair or something like that. Maybe it'll look a little better. But to me, in my honest opinion, they are way too light. But again, I do love the fact that they're comfortable, and I do love the fact that I can see. It's definitely my prescription and I'm loving them. So if you guys are interested in these contacts, once again, they are from Iris Beauty, and I will leave all of the information down below in the description box. So please be sure to check there, and don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.